In this country, investors are still trying to figure out what Britain's exit from the European Union means for just everyone else.
Markets around the globe fell after officials announced the results of that referendum. The three major U.S. indices each lost 3 to 4% of their value today. But as KRCG 13's Garrett Bergquist explains, the Brexit might be good news for Missouri farmers.
Friday wasn't pretty for people with stock portfolios. MU economics professor Joe Haslig says they lost some purchasing power.
Think of every $100,000 that somebody has in their 401k. They're now worth anywhere between $97,000 and $95,000.
Voted to leave the European Union.
News of Britain's impending withdrawal from the EU led to a 611-point drop in the Dow at today's close. That's about 3% of the Dow's total value. Data from Fortune magazine indicate that's the 8th worst point drop in market history.
That's a lot of net value right there, whether it's a state pension system or somebody's individual 401k. We are hopeful the markets will settle out as we begin to understand, but I think this is going to be something that's going to take a little while.
Governor Jay Nixon says it's too soon to say how the Brexit will affect state or local trade agreements. Professor Haslig says Missouri sends about $340 to $360 million worth of goods to Britain each year. He says that probably won't change, but British leaders might decide to lower their tariffs. That would mean a bigger market for Missouri farmers.
If UK lowers their tariffs with respect to the U.S., which I suspect they will, I think that's part of the freedom that they've enjoyed by exiting the EU. It's going to mean that it's going to level the playing field.
Britain is not likely to change its trade policies right away. It still needs to extract itself from the web of treaties that govern the EU. That process could take up to 2 years.